Today we'll be picking this generic master lock. Not quite sure on the model. You can put that in the comments if you know. It's not really wanting to focus. But all you have to use is just medium tension wrench, and I like to use a large diamond on it. You can use a lot of other stuff too though. This is just what I prefer to do. And it comes right open. Do that again for you. Show you it's actually locked. And just put your tension wrench. I like to put it in the bottom. Just gives me more room to work with. And it really doesn't want to focus. And then I just take it and put it in and go from back to front until it opens. And sometimes, especially on this particular lock, it'll get jammed, so you just have to undo it, and then we'll usually open the second try.